What's up, everybody? Let's get into these stocks. I went through my list. I am losing on Zoom and losing on BA Boeing, but I got another signal on Boeing, so I may buy some more contracts on that. But the market sold off today. When I was looking at it this morning, it said something about some China shit, but they always come up with a reason. Bottom line, the market is lower because there's more sellers than buyers, period. But today, you know what I mean? I always marvel at, the reasons and the rationale that media gives for a sell-off. But Amazon, all the heavy hitters are down. Here you got Boeing, but here I got another buy signal on the 2-day chart. So I may look at that 240 call. I'm in the 245 here. I think I was $90 on the contract. I'm down 47. It's at 44 now. But I anticipate this to go back up. So I might double down on this trade, or at least get to a closer strike. And what I mean by a closer strike, I'm in the 245. I might look to buy the 240 because of this buy here. So buying a closer strike, make a profit on that, and then hope that Boeing continues to go up to make this a winner as well. So let me go to my scans. I'm looking, I see Coinbase is down 4%, almost 5%. But it's still, the volume is it's picking up a little bit, but I was really expecting Coinbase to be like, Apple and, with that type of volume. But it'll probably come. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You see the volume. It's down 5%. Let me show you what the options are up. This one's up 600%, 400%. And this is the volume. Volume is the number of contracts. So I mean, you got some volume. It's pretty, broad, going through different strikes. And on the call side too. But I'm comparing it to like Apple volume, and you see how, look, this strike right here in Apple, 130, the 130 strike, 100,000 contracts traded today. 50,000, 55,000, 22,000. Apple is highly liquid. Look on the put side, 20,000. Even Amazon, as expensive as it is, you still have strikes that are in the thousands. But then you have the SPY, which is probably the most highly traded. It is the most highly traded stock option. These are always in the tens of thousands. Everyone trades the SPY because it's linked to it tracks the S&P 500. So whatever the broader market is doing, the SPY will do. All right, so let's look. I'm looking at Boeing going in at 240. The 240 is at $110. I'm here in the 245 already. So I'll probably buy another contract here because of the 2-day. Microsoft is giving a signal on the 2-day. But the daily is not lining up with it. So I'm up. MU looks like it's got some more selling. It's at 83. Make sure they don't report. Yeah, MU doesn't report earnings until July. Let me change this real quick. MU. $83.78 is where it's at. The 85 strike is at $80. Intel, Microsoft. $247, $250. I'm just looking at the prices and looking at the strikes and what the options are costing. Oh, let me show you the Zoom. My Zoom trade. Remember, I bought the contract for $200. I'm here. Zoom is here. So it took a nice sell-off. I'm in the 325. And it's at 301. I bought the contract for $200. Right now I'm down $144. The contract is at 60. And I'm not getting another buy signal on Zoom. So this is likely to be a loser for the week. This is why I make multiple trades during the week. You never put all your eggs on one trade. You keep swinging. Or like Steph Curry, you keep shooting. If Steph Curry is shooting 20% from three-point line, you think he's going to stop shooting? Nah. He averages 40% from the three-point line. But in certain games where it counts, he has to keep shooting. So you never go all in on one trade with the hope that this will be the winner. No, you spread that risk among multiple trades. Betting on the long run that you'll come out an aggregate winner. In the aggregate, you'll be a winner. So that's the way you have to look at trading. And this is the way I want to show you guys what trading is truly about. In fact, to show you how insignificant losses are, and there's also is relative to the amount of capital you're working with too. First and foremost, you have to practice money management. Like I said, I never exceed 5% of what's in my trading account. And right now, where my account is, I'm risking close to $1,400. That allows me to risk $1,400. On these two trades, total, I'm in like $295. So I still have, you know, money to play with. So I'm getting in Baba. And IWM. I'm gonna get in Baba. Tesla, let me see Tesla. Nah, Tesla ain't doing that. Oh. I'm just looking at these charts here. You can't see on my other screen. But as I'm looking at my scans, I'm looking at charts on the others on my other monitor. And Tesla is trying to give me a buy signal, but I don't see it lining up with my daily chart. So Boeing is going back up. So I'm gonna hit Baba. Baba looks like a fluke too. Let's see. So I got 5 minutes. So Boeing, 240, 242. Intel's at 5670. About a 57. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Alright, just bought Intel. Microsoft. Hold off on that. Tesla. $678. 725. Is that 158? Tesla's one of those, again, if it runs, it runs. Shit, 725, it's way up there. Lyft reports today after the close. It's at 56.22. I get nothing on that. Uber reports tomorrow. Excuse me. Google trying to sneak in a buy signal. Let's see what Google. Intel, Boeing. Let's see, do I want to add? So I bought the 240, so I'm in the 240 and I'm in the 245 on that. Google 2300. 2310. 2380. Yeah, I'm gonna hit this Google. It's giving me my price range: 28, 2285, 2280. 2390. The volume is light. Go Baba. I'm gonna hit Baba. Google. I'm executing these trades to show you guys. Let's see, the 2380, 23. So I'm in Baba. Facebook is down. So I'm in. I bought double down on BA. I'm in Baba. I might hit that SPY. The SPY, the IWM, and the QQQ, they trade to 215. I mean 415. They don't stop trading to 415. So I'm in Boeing, Intel, and Baba, and Zoom. Let me update this. I think that MU trade, say Baba again. So I added to that. I mean Boeing. My job is to take each and every signal within whatever my risk parameter is, to take each and every signal. That's what my job is. 82.25 on Intel. You can't predict which one is going to be the winner, which one's going to be the loser. And to be honest, it's not even necessary. Take each and every trade. And be patient. Let's see what I'm at. So I got $621 at risk so far for the week, amongst 1, 2, 3, 4 trades so far. So we'll see what happens. I wanted to get in that Google, but I was looking at the bid and the ask, trying to determine, you see how broad the bid and the ask is. So I might try to get in this one in the morning, depending on what it's doing. So again, I'm in four stocks. And $600. I have at risk. 621 is what I have at risk. So I still have roughly $750 to play with for the week. So again, I'm doing this to show you guys what trading is all about. Trading is not putting all your eggs in one stock. And what I mean by that is taking whatever money you have, betting on that one stock, because you run the risk of losing whatever you put at risk. So you never put all your eggs in one basket. It's best to spread that risk around amongst multiple stocks. That takes you out of the predicting game. What you want to predict is that over time, after several trades, not even several, I mean many trades, you will be a net winner. You got to look at it in that context. After I take 20 trades in a month or 20 trades in a week, how do I come out? So we'll see what happens. Thanks for listening. I might get into that SPY. I'm gonna look at that. Like I said, that trades up to 415. Let's see what that looks like real quick. Nah. No, I'm a bypass on that. I don't even like that formation. I don't like the way that chart looks. This bar right here, and most of the stocks look like that, but I don't. Nah. I'm in a few different trades. Save the rest of my capital for the week for trades tomorrow and Thursday. So I'm in 4 stocks. We'll see what happens. I feel good about that Boeing. It's giving me buys on the dailies line up. So if you see here, I'm long the 245, long the 240. So if that 240, if it goes towards 240 tomorrow, more than likely I'll get 100% a better return on that. I get 100% return on that, double up on it. That makes this a free trade. Let's see, I bought this contract at 127. So I'll try to get out of this at $250, double up on it. Or maybe $300, we'll see. Alright guys, thanks for listening.